Gardening Angel Emma here from Greenhouse Sensation, and it's Small Business Saturday this week. So as a small business, I just felt compelled to come and say thank you to everybody who supported Greenhouse Sensation in the past. We design and manufacture our products here in Lancashire. So when you place an order with Greenhouse Sensation, you're supporting British jobs, which is great, thank you. And every one of our customers, every single order is really important and really makes a difference. But more than that, every time you like or share or comment or share a photo or tell anybody about Greenhouse Sensation or the things that you're growing, you're also helping the business as well. So thank you very much again. Small businesses are the backbone of the British economy. There are about 4.8 million small businesses in Britain, and they employ about 15 million people. So as Saturday is Small Business Saturday, perhaps go to your local bakery or coffee shop, and after you've placed an order with Greenhouse Sensation, maybe go out and treat yourself, show another small business some love. That's what we're going to be doing. I want to give a shout out to some of the people who really helped Greenhouse Sensation over the past 10 to 12 years. So Matt Simpson of Simpson Seeds, who's helped me right from the start, taught me lots about growing. Thank you very much. Go support him. He's another great small business. Alex Dirk from Upton Cheney. They use lots of quad grows. They grow some awesome stuff. And he's a bad influence with beer, but thank you very much, Alex. I want to say thanks to Alan Dunn, Steve Young, and Diane Marie from Passion Fire, also using duo grows and quad grows. Great fun, sort of really awesome people in the chili community. Alan Lord for getting me addicted to powder on peppers and much envy-inducing photos. Mark Burns, who's generally awesome. Just thank you, everybody. Also, thank you to everybody at Greenhouse Sensation, and thank you from everybody at Greenhouse Sensation. So to thank our customers, we've got a special offer this weekend. So if you want to use this code, I don't know, can you see that? Mm-hmm. Which is Love EGS. I'm trying to read it from behind, so hopefully it's not backwards. Which gives you 10% off everything and double loyalty points. If you're not in the loyalty scheme, you can join that on our website. Thank you very much. Lots of love. Bye-bye.